Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a different kind of video. I decided to spice things up a little bit because you know what? Why not? Ever since I started my YouTube channel and my Instagram on fitness, I have noticed a certain stigma slash stereotype on my sisters. Like, where are my black queens at? Why do I always see white women infiltrating the fitness industry? Why? It is so strange to me because I felt like I was kind of like forcing the thought. I was like, I don't really be seeing no sisters up on this Instagram. I don't be seeing no sisters on this YouTube. You know, maybe I'm not looking. This is something that is real. This is something that is prevalent in our society on all sorts of social media platforms, and I am honestly sick of it. And the worst part of it all is the fact that the stereotype is that black women do not work out. When I saw that, I thought to myself, what in the world? Who made this? Who said this? Wouldn't this ever be a thing? So I did some research. I hit Google. I was typing in why black women don't work out. And it came to me that this is a real thing. People really sit and say, black women and working out. It's not a joke though, you guys. So I decided to go ahead and do my own little mini study. So I asked 30 women, whether they were my friends or my family or like even strangers. I just asked, why don't they work out as often as they should? Slash, why don't they work out? And stuff like that. And I got a bunch of different answers, and so I decided to go ahead and list them now. You guys enjoy. I thought that these issues are not sufferable by only black women. I feel like I've heard this from guys, girls, black people, white people, Indian people. I've heard from so many people as to why they're unable to work out. And it's not easy for anyone. But I did find that there are two top reasons for why black women don't work out. The first one is the thick slim syndrome. I know y'all probably wondering, what is she talking about? But y'all all know that one friend that be eating whatever she wants, whenever she wants, and still be curvilicious and looking damn good. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that because, love the skin you're in. You also need to be aware of your heart health and what is going on inside. There are so many things that could go wrong when you're eating the wrong foods, when you are not exercising, and of course genetics play a pretty big role in that, so that is where you really need to be cautious as a black woman. 56% of black women are overweight or obese in America today, and comparing that to, of course, our white counterparts, white women only are about sitting at a 40 or 42%, and that's really big, you guys. Black women are just more predisposed to getting obese and having certain health issues. Just because we are black, I know that sucks, but that's just how it is. And that is why I am constantly pushing for overall health, eating right, working out. Yeah, it's great to be thick and slim and whatever y'all be calling it, thick and fine. But let's pay attention to what's going on inside for sure. The second thing that I know that black women will definitely agree with me on is our hair, okay? I remember there was a time where I really wanted to work out, but I just got like my natural hair like conditioned and whatever, and I was like, you know what? My next hairstyle, I'll work out. When I get my weave in, I'll work out. Or when I get my wig done, I'll work out. And it's so funny because we literally debate with ourselves and our hair before we work out. I know I'm not the only person that does this. And I'm with you. I'm totally with you. It's hard. It's tough. We love our hair. We spend a lot of money on our hair. Maintenance is high for our hair. So that is one of the ones where I'm like, I'm with you there, sister. Wearing wigs and braids and stuff makes it a little bit easier to work out and wash your hair and take care of your hair without feeling like it's kind of a burden. I even have a friend that has workout wigs and then like her daily work wigs. So you can always do something like that, which is pretty convenient. So yeah, make those proper adjustments to make ends meet because at the end of the day, are you really gonna be thinking about your hair when you have diabetes? So, I'm gonna end on a more serious note, and I just want all my Black Queens to know that I'm here for you. I'm here to support you. I'm here to motivate you. I feel like that is why I created this YouTube channel in the first place, because I did want to channel women, but I also wanted to make sure that I am channeling, my sister, my Black Queen. Muscles don't make us manly, and most of all, our hair does not limit us from making a physical change, a healthy lifestyle change. I just try to think of exercise as a job. And when you have a job, you have a certain schedule. You go from 8 to 5, and you work hard there, and then you go home. If you can think of working out as your job, you will make time for it, whether it's 30 minutes or an hour or 2 hours or even 15 minutes. Set that time, work through that routine. Once you get that routine, there's no way that you can cancel it out. Do you ever just cancel out of work or check out of work? No, because you have to be there, because you want to make money. But when working out, you must think of your health as your money. You must think of having good health as something worth investing in. You don't need those 12-month commitment gym memberships to get a good workout in. There are so many things you can do at home. There are so many YouTube videos. I have so many that I've put up in order to help people that don't have that access. You just have to set your mind to it. You have to see yourself where you could be. That is honestly my motivation. I see myself where I am. I see myself how far I've come. And then I see myself where I could be. And that motivates me to keep on pushing. If there's anything that I can personally help you with, and you kind of want to see more videos and stuff like that I can make for you, personally, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment or two, and I will be sure to get to it, because I just want to see all my sisters succeed, okay? Anyway, I'm about to go get some food and get this workout in. I'll see y'all in the next one.